This afternoon sa kantin, lumapit ang crush mo. Eh sa sobrang pagod mo, di mo napansin. Sayang. Buti na lang may Coca-Cola. Kaya mag-recharge with a Coke every afternoon. Feel the chill to get going.
Taste that feeling.
I couldn't sleep.
Nor I, my aunt.
Yes, she was there.
How can I ever make amends for such behavior?
After what you have done for Lydia, and I suspect for Jane also, it is I should be making amends.
Surely you must know it was all for you. You are too generous to trifle with me. I believe you spoke with my aunt last night, and it has taught me to hope, as I had scarcely allowed myself before. If your feelings are still what they were last April, tell me so at once. My affections and wishes have not changed, but one word from you will silence me forever. If, however, your feelings have changed, I would have to tell you, you have bewitched me, body and soul, and I love you. I never wish to be parted from you from this day on.
Nais kong sabihin sa'yo, ngunit parang di ko masabi. Nandito lang di mabigkas sa aking labi. Ako ba ay iyong nakikita? Ba't parang hindi mo naman marinig? Ika'y iibigin, di na lang sasabihin. Mararamdaman mo sa bawat sulyap at tingin ko sa'yo.